Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can redeem vouchers in Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.just-eat.co.uk. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Just Eat. So simply tap on the login button and get logged in into your account. So once you are logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply click on the profile like icon where your name is written. There you can find the redeem a voucher option. So simply tap on it and you will end up in this page where you need to simply type in the voucher code. And once you have successfully typed it in, you need to press on the OK button. Once this is done, you can redeem your voucher on the Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.